Hi, and welcome to the Rainforest. My name is Trevor, and I'm a volunteer at the California Academy of Sciences. I'd like to tell you about some of my favorite critters from the rainforest. But before I do, let's take a moment and think. What is a rainforest? Well, it's pretty much in the name. A rainforest is a forest which receives a lot of rain. Our rainforest represents a tropical rainforest, which would be found in the very warm areas near the equator, like parts of South America and Africa. All that rain and heat means there's a lot of life, trees, plants, and flowers. Because of that, you can also find all kinds of animals. What animals do you think of when you think of a rainforest? Did you think of bats, colorful birds, lots of butterflies, or even monkeys? Well, for me, my favorite animals are more creepy crawly. I love the spiders and the insects of the rainforest. Would you like to meet two of my favorite critters? Okay, get ready. They're fascinating, awesome, and even very gentle. First, meet my friend, the giant black millipede from Africa. The giant black millipede is what scientists call an arthropod. The word arthropod just means these animals have their skeleton on the outside and their bodies have distinct sections. Have you ever seen anything like these where you live? Maybe just smaller? If you've ever seen a roly-poly or a pill bug, you're pretty close. You might have even seen much smaller millipedes where you live. Although they're wet and wiggly, these critters are actually very important. They move slowly, and they're not a threat to humans at all. They mostly eat things like fallen leaves or dead trees, and they help break those things down into nutrients, the food that plants can then use to grow again. They do this the same way we do. They eat things and they poop them out. Just like when you recycle a can or a bottle and it can be made into something new, the millipede is one of the recyclers of the rainforest. What do you notice about the millipede? How many legs do you see? Does their body look soft or does it look hard? Can you count the sections of their body? All right. So I'm going to go and let these giant millipedes go back to doing what they do best, eating. So now come with me to meet my other favorite animal of the rainforest. If you were in a wild rainforest, you would likely find the millipede on the ground in the understory. But this next critter would usually be higher up in the plants or in the trees. I'd like you to meet the golden silk spider. Don't they look pretty and very delicate? Look at the colors of their legs and the pattern on their back. Luckily, they aren't dangerous to people at all, just to smaller insects like flies and butterflies. Just like the spiders you might see in a park near you, these spiders will build webs to catch their food. Take a close look at their web. Does it look special at all? Because it really is. The web is actually stronger than steel. It can harden underwater, and yet it is so delicate that the silk spider can eat the web and create a brand new one every single day. Imagine how much work that is. Isn't that just amazing? All right, we'll leave the golden silk spider to continue hunting for food and caring for its web. There's so many more amazing critters, animals, and plants in the rainforest. Next time you visit the Academy, come to our rainforest and explore. You'll find these and many others, and you can decide which ones are your favorites.